Hey, hi guys, I'm Jitendra here again from DomainX Events. So today we have Naavi sir Vijayashankar, who is an cyber law expert. So he will be sharing his some experience on cyber law, that what kind of businesses should follow cyber law. So over to sir Naavi. Saviya sir, please introduce yourself about this business, please.
I'm Vijayashankar, an information security consultant in Bangalore. I am known more as Naavi because
Naavi, yeah.
the particular blog I run as Naavi.org.
Yes. So something. So sir, tell me something about this cyber law is changing in 2015 right now. So what are the big changes in cyber law right now? So
See, when we talk of cyber law,
Yep.
one big part of cyber law is the Information Technology Act,
Yep.
which talks about the laws related to the use of electronic documents.
Electronic documents. Okay.
The other part of it is the intellectual property right related laws. That is, intellectual property rights related to cyber documents or electronic documents. Now, domain name
Yeah.
is one such intellectual property right,
Okay.
which is actually something similar to trademark in the physical world, but
Okay.
has got its own special status in
Special status.
domain of the cyber domain.
Okay.
Similar to trademark, but we cannot say exactly same as trademark.
Trademark.
So it is difficult to actually have laws related to this. In the Information Technology Act, somehow India did not think it necessary to have
Necessary, yeah.
specific laws.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So presently, the disputes regarding domain names are
Domain names,
handled
yeah.
under UDRP,
UDRP.
as a Contract Act related dispute.
Okay.
Because we sign a contract with the registrar,
Registrar,
and
yeah.
therefore the disputes are resolved under that contract,
Under that contract.
which forces us to use UDRP.
We use UDIP.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the current status as far as the domain name related laws in India are concerned.
India. So what are the precautions that should the business owners should take while buying any domain? So are there any cyber laws against them? So
No,
Please,
we
sir.
have to look at the risk of the domain name being contested at a future time.
okay.
I register a domain name, put money into developing it into a brand.
Brand. Yes, sir.
So that may take time, it
Yes,
may
sir.
take money.
Yeah.
Now after 1 year, when I am about to exploit or harness this brand in a
Yes.
big way,
Yeah.
suddenly I may get a contest.
Yes, sir.
There may be litigation in India or outside India
Yeah.
through UDRP, and some of the present cases are under the Anti-Cyber Squatting Act of USA.
Yes, sir.
And some of which are too expensive for Indian domain name holders to even respond.
Respond at it. Yeah. So any precautions that you would like to recommend to domains, big time domainiers? So please, sir.
One is, if you are a domain user like a
Domain is, yeah.
then you must do a trademark related search.
Trademark.
Related search
Okay.
across the globe to the extent possible,
Okay.
to identify whether there are any specific
Trademarks.
issues.
Issues. Okay.
Then suppose you find some
Yes.
issue. Then you have to see whether there is any relationship between the activities of that domain and this. See, obviously
Yes, sir.
they are not having a same domain name.
Yes,
but
sir.
there will be confusingly similar domain names.
Yes, sir.
Now, the confusingly similar domain name, if it exists in a different business category and other things, there is a possibility that you would like to continue to do your business and you don't mind somebody else doing a business in the similar
In similar
domain name.
fashion.
I
Yeah.
had proposed some service called lookalikes.in.
Lookalikes. Yeah.
Lookalikes. Basically, it's a mutual disclaimer. Both
Okay.
people say that I am not you, you are not me. Let us
Okay.
put it up on our website. Let us
Okay.
carry on doing the business.
Carry on doing the
So
business.
that
Yes, sir.
neither your reputation is damaged, my reputation.
Reputation
This
is
is one
damaged.
of the suggestions.
Okay.
The second one which I want to do now is,
Yep.
I want domain name owners to be eligible for a cyber insurance.
So what is this cyber
I want an
insurance?
insurance company to
Okay.
take this risk
Of domain.
of a contest being made about a domain which I have faithfully registered.
Registered it. Okay. You
now.
want insurance?
And
Yeah.
when the contest comes,
Yeah.
then the legal costs involved in that, and if I have to lose that domain name,
Yeah.
whatever the reputation loss or the
Yes, sir.
rebuilding of the brand.
Yeah.
So these are the two things which I feel we need to work towards.
In domain insurance business. So okay.
Plus, India should work for a local arbitration center.
Local arbitration. Okay.
And that is an idea to reduce the cost. In fact, I have got something called arbitration.in, which is an online arbitration.
Arbitration.
Again,
Yeah.
with the idea of reducing the cost of at least the travel. You don't have to travel to meet an arbitration kind of a thing.
Arbitration.
And arbitration.in is a slightly different form of arbitration, which is cyber law compliant.
Cyber law compliant. Okay.
Not only on the basis of exchange of emails. It is
Okay.
actually a video conference between the litigants kind of a thing.
Okay.
Other than that, India should work for an Indian-based arbitration center.
Arbitration.
The nearest one is in Hong Kong or some other place.
Oh man, it's
China.
very far.
So we
Yeah.
want something in India.
So you want something in India. So do you think that buying a trademark domains will can affect us, or can some kind of cyber law attacks can be on us if I buy domain like flipkartcoupons.com? So
Definitely there will be an attack in the sense
there will be attack. Okay.
the other person who genuinely feels that there is a
Yeah. Passing of trademark
of
values.
trademark saying that
violation.
benefits which ought to have come to him is going, and suppose something goes wrong in the other domain name, the
Yeah.
bad reputation also falls on the original holder.
Original holder.
So
Sure.
he has the fear that similar looking domain name
Yep.
can create a backlash on his genuine
backlash
domain
on
name.
it.
So he will contest.
If
So-
there's no trademark on that domain, so
No, see, actually, the moment you register a domain name,
yeah,
you get rights similar to an unregistered trademark.
unregistered trademark. Okay.
You have the rights.
Yeah.
So you don't really require a registered trademark.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
the rights are preserved, and in certain cases, registration may be perhaps allowed, as I told you, with a
Yeah.
prominent disclaimer.
Prominent
I
disclaimer.
have no relationship with Flipkart.
Okay.
Something like that. If
Yes.
Any person who enters the website
Yeah.
gets that notice first.
Yeah.
There have been court cases earlier in the copyright related
Issues. Yeah. Yes, sir. I have heard about it.
Shrink wrap contracts.
Okay.
Issues,
Yeah, yeah.
That display of a open notice like that.
Notice like
can
that.
be considered as a factor which limits the liability. So
Limits the liability.
something
Okay.
like that can be considered. That is my theme, that sometimes we have to work on to learn to coexist.
Coexist. So, what are the suggestions to the newbies who want to do into this domain business? What kind of cyber laws they should follow if they want to enter into this domain business? Any specific guidelines are there online available?
There is no specific guidelines.
Right now, it's not there.
Constructed guidelines.
So how they can be aware, because newbies face a problem regarding this. So
Yes.
some newbies buy domains, but they are not aware of the guidelines, cyber law guidelines. So
In
why
fact,
should
it is not only in the case of domain name.
Okay.
Even when they construct a business.
Business, online business.
Bangalore, we say it's a startup capital.
okay
Nobody looks at techno-legal feasibility of a business.
techno feasibility? Okay,
Techno-legal feasibility.
Techno-legal
So
feasibility.
we look at the technical feasibility, whether I can have a IT infrastructure to meet my business requirements.
Okay.
We work out the management feasibility,
Okay.
whether I have the right kind of persons.
Okay.
Financial feasibility, whether I have got the money.
Yes, sir.
But whether my business will be compliant with the law.
With the compliant of law.
That analysis, very few people are doing, and I think that is what they should do.
They should do. Okay, sir. Thank you for this, sir. So you provide some valuable information on this. So I thanks Naavi sir for providing information on this cyber law, because I was not aware of this cyber law things. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. I will share the video with my YouTube readers. Thank you.